question. So I got an incoming call probably about a week ago. Greeted the guy, asked him what I could get him information on. He said he was looking for a forklift. When I tried to qualify him and ask him why he was looking for a forklift, he didn't want to answer any of my questions.
I don't blame him, dude. I don't blame him. It's a dumb question. Why are you looking for a forklift? It's stupid. It's just the dumbest question I've ever heard in my life. Guy walks in, hey, I'm looking for a cowboy hat. Why? Fucking dude. Hey, I'm looking for ice cream. I want some chocolate ice cream. I want some Godiva ice cream. Why? That's stupid, dude.
So then I also asked him why.
No, but I mean, you gotta really, you gotta swallow this whole stupid thing. That was just dumb.
Right. I agree with you.
Hey, man, I'll be happy to get you a forklift. What's your name again?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Yeah.
He don't remember your name.
Please hold while your call is being transferred.
Always leave a message. Always leave a message. Always leave a message. Always talk to somebody. I don't care if I talk to Mo. Talk to somebody. I'm telling you the way you need to start building your sales force out right now, okay? These are the rules. You got to have rules. You got to have always. You don't have always, you end up with nevers. Okay, you don't have always, you end up with nevers. You don't have always, you end up with what?
Is not available. After the tone, please record your message. When finished, you may hang up to deliver the message or press pound for more options.
Hey, Valerie, tell Mo to call me. I got to talk to him right away. My name's Brandon. So you need to keep calling them back, man. You need to, look, even if you need to be somebody else, you need to call back. The callback that needs to happen for that guy right now is, Mo, why didn't you buy from Brandon? That's all you need to ask. Hey, well, I'm calling. You need somebody, just make a simple call. Hey, Mo, my name's Grant Cardone. I have one question. Why didn't you buy the forklift? Because Stupidio asked me why I wanted a forklift.